Hello and welcome to Tropical RV Sales. Today we're looking at this brand new Rockwood Freedom Series. This is the 1940 limited model. This is a great model, popular, super lightweight, super compact. This unit, when it's closed up, is about 14 feet 5 inches from tongue to bumper. It weighs, I believe, right at 1620 and change, so under 1,700 pounds, and folds up into a really nice, compact, efficient size towing package. The roof comes down to about right here. This unit does have the factory rooftop AC. It's a low profile, full size 13,500 BTU roof air, and again, it's factory installed, all the factory warranties, but really nice upgraded feature. That's an AC you would find on like a 26 or 30 foot travel trailer, so it's a very large AC unit. This unit here has a bed front and rear. The front bed is about the size of a residential queen. It's a 60 by 80. I believe that's exactly the size of a residential queen, and the rear is around the size of a full bed in the back, so a little bit smaller bed in the back, so you could potentially sleep 2 adults on the rear, 2 adults on the front. Then it has a dinette that also folds down for additional sleeping. Now this unit has a ton of upgraded features. I'll give you the walk around inside and outside and talk to you about some of those features as we go along. Right here on the door side, you can see it's got the canopy awning. That's roof mount along the track there, factory installed. So it comes out about 7 feet or so, and then hooks right back here on the trailer. So you have a really nice built-in awning. It has a gas stovetop cooker, so it hooks on this track here for outside use. You can also use it on the inside. You have an amber porch light there. These are upgraded radial tires. Now this unit does have the upgraded optional electric brakes. Really key feature this one has is the power roof lift. So this one has the upgraded power roof. If you don't have power roof on your folding camper, then you have to crank up the roof, and that's probably the most strenuous task associated with the setup and breakdown of the folding campers. So having the power system takes that out of the equation. It makes the setup much quicker, much easier, and really ultimately is the way to go. And that's a factory installed component with the factory warranties. While we're up front here, we can take a look at the underside of the bed end. Front and rear are both the upgraded plywood decking, and they are each rated for 1,000 pounds. So the front bed's rated for 1,000 pounds and the rear bed's rated for 1,000 pounds. And this unit actually has the upgraded dual propane setup. So those are two 20-pound propane tanks, and we include a deep cycle RV marine battery, and your power roof will run off your battery. And from your propane and your battery, you can actually run a ton of the components on this unit. So your interior lights, you can run your refrigerator. This unit has a 3-way RV gas, electric, and 12-volt refrigerator. It has a built-in water pump, so you can have running water. You can have your refrigerator, you can have your lights, all off your battery and your propane system. So this unit also has the heavy-duty crank-down stabilizer jacks on the back. It's got the full-size spare tire package. It's got LED brake lights. It's got a detachable 30-amp power cord setup. And as you can see, you got your rooftop AC unit there. And here's another upgraded feature too Rockwood does. These tent pieces here, they're actually sectionalized, so you can remove them individually should you need to do that. But as far as setup goes, they are permanently attached, and when you open your bunk end, your bedding is protected. So that's nice, especially if it's a little bit of a rainy condition that you're setting up in. So inside, we have the big bed on the front, the queen bed. Now these are heated mattresses, and the heated mattresses actually really come in handy if you get caught in some cooler weather. So you have the queen on the front, approximately a full-size bed on the back, and this unit gives you a really nice spacious interior. You have basically what I would consider a full-size dinette, so a little bit wider than a lot. That folds down. This is a freestanding table, so you can use it inside, or if you wanted to take it outside, you could do that. That folds down to make an extra sleeping space. But that's your indoor-outdoor stove. You can use it inside. Most people prefer to use it outside. And you have a lot of nice counter space. You have a sink, and you have the freshwater holding tank, and you have the 12-volt water pump. There's your refrigerator down below, and this is a 3-way RV refrigerator, so it runs off of potentially 3 power sources. You can run it off of propane, you can run it off of electric when you're plugged in at a campground, you can also run it off of your 12 volt battery system. And this unit has the propane and 12 volt furnace, so that's really the best way to heat the interior of these units. Pumps out a lot of heat. This is a gas and 12 volt system, so it runs off of your propane and your 12 volt system, and it's a thermostat control system, as you can see right there. And what we have down below is some really nice storage, full extension drawers, wood drawers with the full extension guys, just like Rockwood uses on their bigger, more expensive travel trailers. And you have 110 volt outlets where you need them. You have USB ports here for charging devices. You have a switch that allows you to control the roof lights. Again, 110 volt there. Fire extinguisher, more storage over here. Smoke detector on the ceiling. And this is a laminated foam insulated roof with the metal underside. Again, there's a look at your ceiling pack for your AC unit, which is factory installed, factory warranties. So great model, 1940. Again, about 14 feet 5 inches when it's closed, tongue to bumper. Right around 1,600 pounds. With a ton of upgrades: power roof, AC, awning, electric brakes, furnace, heated mattresses, and a bunch more construction upgrades. TropicalRVsales.com, Tropical RV Sales US 1 in Fort Pierce. Thanks for watching and have a great day.